In today's Your Healthy Family, as we continue highlighting the teen vaping epidemic in our country and in our state, as I continue to cover this issue, I've always asked myself, why is this so popular among kids? Besides the obvious answer, kids will be kids. They think they're invincible. But here's what the experts I spoke with had to say. First off, vaping is simply a whole different game than traditional smoking.
People from like my generation, if we tried to smoke, we were smoking combustible cigarettes. There was a smell and a stigma and people could catch us. So kids had to hide. This is so in the open, people can do vaping anywhere, and it's allowing these adolescents to vape a much larger amount of these liquids that contain nicotine.
Local data also says vaping is perceived differently by kids.
We know from the El Paso County statistics from 2017 that while about 85 to 90% of youth know that smoking traditional cigarettes is risky, less than 50% knew that smoking electronic cigarette products is risky.
As this epidemic grows, kids are exposed to it more and more.
So we know that teens are very influenced by what they see and what they perceive as normal. And so if they see adults using these products, or if they see their friends using these products and they perceive that they're safe, they don't always do that further research or investigation or have the decision making to say, ooh, this might harm me down the road. This may not be a good idea.
And remember, the initial marketing of vaping was a safe way to quit smoking combustible cigarettes.
A lot of times, again, these products are marketed as a quote-unquote safer alternative to traditional cigarettes. And while in some instances for current adult smokers that may be true, if adults are able to cut back from traditional cigarettes to electronic cigarettes, we know for sure that safer does not is not equivalent with safe.
They're sold the idea that they're safe. I mean, it's a product you can buy at the store. The companies are not as regulated as combustible cigarettes at this time, so it's readily out there. And children, again, it's not going to happen to me. When you tell them that it's something that may affect them 10, 15, 20 years down the road, that means absolutely nothing to them. So they're not worried about the future. They're enjoying the time now. And nicotine is such a powerful addictive drug that it doesn't take very long. So they'll start, they'll tell their friends, it's a fun thing. They don't have to worry about the smell of it. It's becoming something where they'll all hang out together. They'll have complete parties related to vaping.
For Your Healthy Family, I'm Ira Cronin.